Hi, my name is Roger. This is Dave.
Howdy.
We're with Florida Management and Consulting Group here in Coral Springs. So, Dave, you're managing your own property. Your tenant hasn't paid the rent. Why should you contact a property manager?
Well, that's a great question, Roger, and there's really three reasons why you should have a property manager, especially in a case where the tenant hasn't paid the rent. You've got experience with a property manager, you've got judgment, and you've got someone who can get results. The problem that you have is when a tenant doesn't pay rent and you're trying to manage it yourself, if you don't have the experience, you're liable to make a mistake. If you're going to try to evict the tenant yourself, in fact, I don't even recommend that you try to evict him. What you really want to do is get the rent. So if you have enough experience, you'll be sitting there with the tenant trying to explain what the options are, and you might be able to persuade them. But if you don't have any experience, you won't be able to do that. If you bring a property manager into the picture, hopefully you can salvage the situation. If it goes to an eviction, you've got some judgment there you can rely on, and you've got someone who has the resources to get a result.
So you wouldn't want to handle something like that on your own, right?
No, I absolutely wouldn't. I absolutely would not. I mean, with all my experience, I wouldn't evict somebody myself. I would have my law firm do it. It's not as expensive as you might think, and you're interested in the results, getting it done in as quick a time as possible if it goes to an eviction. But not all late pays go to eviction. I think our experience is that we wind up with very few evictions, but there are people who pay late.
Right, because our objective is ultimately is to get the rent.
Get the rent. That's right. That's what you want to do. At the end of the day, you want to get the rent, avoid problems, hire a property manager.
Great. So if there are any other questions regarding this, feel free to contact us.